today I'm working on the ladder, the companionway ladder, the stairs if you like. And the reason I'm doing that is because some of the treads have become quite unsightly. They've been repaired over the years, but I'm going to strip all those back and make them a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, as well as practical. They've also lost a bit of their non-slipness, so I'll be fixing some of that. Now, each of the treads are connected by 4 bolts that go through these horizontal poles, but these have also been tacked on. I've just noticed, well, one's come off. I've noticed that this one is also loose, so I'm going to need to get some repairs done on that, and that's a little frustrating. The other thing is the bottom of the stairs, what goes onto the floor of the cabin sole is they've just worn through there. You can see that they've worn through, so these should be able to be obtained from a hardware store. So I'm going to get the rid of the other 2 of these, and I found the easiest way to do it is to get a socket on the bottom and an impact driver on the top. Let's give that a go. I use my favourite paint stripper, which is by a company called Cooper's, and over the years I've found this to be just about the best. The trick I find with it is to absolutely saturate the timber so it can't breathe anything in but paint stripper. After scraping the loose lacquer off, I used various grits of sandpaper to bring those steps back to their base. Let's see how we've gone. So we have our 4 stair treads. Now we can see that these are looking much better than they were before. They've got a couple of coats of stain and lacquer on them. I've used this product, and they've also got currently 3 coats of this product. Now, when I was cleaning them up, you'll notice that there are 3 routs in them. Now, they were filled with a rubbery compound, and the original lacquer was lacquered over that. When I was getting that out of there, it looked like it was a self-adhesive because there was a layer of basically tape at the bottom of them.
Now, obviously, getting them, finding that stuff for one thing might be, it might be a windowsill or something, I don't know. But being able to cut them so they're exactly like the shape of the routes, I knew was going to be difficult. So my decision was to just leave them out. And I believe that will actually provide that non-slip surface. Now, I imagine the reason they were in there originally was to stop water pooling in those. And you know what? I'll just have to be conscious of that. And yeah, not a lot of water gets in them, but if it does, I'll just need to sponge it out. No problems. If it becomes a problem, well, then I'll do something with it. I will fill them somehow. I don't know. The ladder itself, the stainless steel ladder, these little tabs, if you like, I don't think were original to the ladder. And I say that because the welds that attached them were not what I would call professional. I may be wrong, but I don't think they were. And one of them, I think it was this rung, they had actually snapped off, making the step itself wobbly. So I took it to one of my local welders here in Canberra, and they have reattached them all, and they've also strengthened all of the other ones for me. See, that might be that's probably worse. But anyway, they've strengthened all those for me. So all I need to do now with the ladder is just to clean up this stuff. I might hit that with some cold gel or something like that, or some zinc or something. After a bit of a sand, I think that will probably bring those up and also protect those surfaces from any further degradation. I was really happy to see the ladder back in the boat, and this little bit of work has really improved the appearance and the functionality of these steps. The new rubber feet on the bottom have made the ladder much more stable.